My name is Saskia Amanda, NPM 224111113 from class management 22A. I will explain the material about analysis structure model. Understanding capital structure. Capital structure refers to the specific mix of debt and equity used by a company to finance its overall operation and growth. It is an important concept in finance and can have a significant impact on a company profitability, risk, and overall value. Here are some key points to understand about capital structure. Debt. This consists of borrowed money that is due back to the lender, commonly with interest expense. Debt can come in the form of bond issues or loans, and short-term debt is also considered part of the capital structure. Equity. This arises from ownership shares in a company and claims to its future cash flows and profits. Equity may come in the form of common stock, preferred stock, or retained earnings. Optimal capital structure. This is the proportion of debt and equity that results in the lowest weighted average cost of capital from the firm. Capital structure component, debt and equity. Capital structure is the way a company finances its operation and investment project through the composition of funds. The two main components of the capital structure are debt and equity. Equity. Here's a more detailed explanation of both of these components. Capital structure refers to the particular combination of debt and equity used by a company to finance its overall operations and growth. The two main components of capital structure are debt. This consists of borrowed money that is due back to the lender, commonly with interest expense. Debt can come in the form of bond issues or loans, and short-term debt is also considered part of the capital structure. Equity. This arises from ownership share in a company and claims to its future cash flows and profits. Equity can come in the form of common stock, preferred stock, or retained earnings. Reasons to analyze capital structure. Capital structure analysis is an important tool in corporate financial decision making and risk management. It helps companies in planning their funds, resource, managing financial risk, and achieving long-term financial goals. Analyzing a company's capital structure is important for several reasons. Here are some of the key reasons. Assessing investment quality. A company's judicious use of debt and equity is a key indicator of a strong balance sheet. A healthy capital structure that reflects a low level of debt and a large amount of equity is a positive sign of investment equality. Evaluating risk, companies that are heavily financed by debt have a more aggressive capital structure and therefore pose a greater risk to investors. By analyzing a company's capital structure, investors can assess the level of risk associated with investing in that company. Benefits of capital structure analysis. Capital structure analysis is the process of evaluating and assessing a company's mix of debt and equity financing as well as its overall financing strategy. It is an important tool for both the company's management and investor, as it can provide insight into the company's financial health, risk profile, and growth prospects. Here are some benefits of capital structure analysis. Determining optimal balance. The goal of capital structure analysis is to determine the optimal balance between debt and equity financing that maximizes shareholder value while maintaining an acceptable level of financial risk and flexibility. Evaluating financial health. Capital structure analysis can help investors evaluate a company's financial health by looking at key return and metrics such as debt to equity ratio, debt ratio, and long-term debt to capitalization ratio. Conclusion. In conclusion, capital structure analysis is an important process in corporate financial management involving the main components debt and equity. The objective is to an optimal balance between the source of funds derived from debt and equities so that the company can the following benefits. Capital cost optimization. By causing the right capital structure, the company can reduce its modal cost, which increases its profitability. Increased corporate value. A proper capital structure can help a company increase the value of its company, benefiting shareholders and owners. Risk diversification, combining debt and equity in capital structures helps in managing financial risk. Financial flexibility. Capital structure analysis helps companies understand to what extent they can use debt without insurmountable risk. Investment decision making. Capital structure analysis helps determine how new investment projects and business projects are funded. Regulation. Companies must abide by rules and regulations related to the capital structure. Liquidity management. A good capital structure helps in the management of liquidity and the ability of the company to meet financial obligations. Business growth. Proper capital structure allows companies to obtain the funds needed to support business growth. Investor relations. The capital structure affects the company's relationship with shareholders and investors. Dividend decision. The capital structure affects the company's dividend policy. In addition to the financial ratio, associated with the capital structure and in-depth understanding of the sources of funds and the management of financial risk is essential in making the right decisions. A good capital structure can help a company its financial goals and maintain business sustainability. That's all the material I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.